Well, in our earlier video, we discussed about how to construct a fan in Autocad. However, in today's class, we will discuss mainly about move command and copy command. For move command, we have two options. By simply clicking on the move or by typing M also we can use that. After that, we have to select the object which we wanted to move, such as in this time we have to select the rotating object which is used for construct a fan, so we can move this from one position to another position. If we want to go to this object in a straight line, we have to on ortho. After this, we discuss copy command. We can use copy command by two methods, by simply clicking on copy or typing co command. By typing that, we have to select the object which we want to copy. In this time, we select a rotating object. And after that, we take a one reference point from which we have to copy to different positions. This go in straight position only. If we want to go for other position, we need to off ortho, which is in the right side of the right lower part of the right side. After that, we take this copy in every point where we want and make this easier to for today
do.
video. We will
This much for
discuss other
today. We
command
will
in
discuss
upcoming
other
video
in
also.